It's time to take a look at Bitcoin again. I do trade Bitcoin. I know some of you do. And for today's 5-minute trader into November, I try to spread it out, spread the love a little bit across asset classes. Here's the deal. I said when Bitcoin closed over 6,000 that the next fib level was 7,400, and folks, 7,450 was hit. We did sell it at 7,400. It came off real quick. That was the level. It's amazing what these fib levels will do. And we went from 7,450 down to, I think the low was 67.80, 67.75. I was just looking for a move on that one day to 6,800, which got me $600. Folks, that's a huge move. That's basically 9%. We hit 9%, 9.5%, just shy of 10% in less than just a few hours. These are 5-minute charts. It basically banged off of that and went straight down in the next 15 minutes. We then put on another trade where we were offering 7,100, and we traded as high as 72. So we filled on that, and then that came back for a day trade, back to 69. Now, this is why volatility is so important in whatever you trade, and understanding the more volatile, the more opportunities you're going to have. In other words, we may bounce the same number of bounces off of any height building by physics, but the higher it is, the more opportunity there is to get involved on a price level. So with Bitcoin, I was just looking at this. A week ago, Bitcoin was trading 5,700. So in 5 days again, we've gone from 5,700 up to almost 75, which is 1,800 points, which is about, it's 33%. So we have gone up 33% from an already sky-high level here, Bitcoin 5,700 up to 7,450. I'm coming to you right now on Thursday, November 2nd, and it is trading 785, and we've put a short back on via Coinbase, which, by the way, folks, you can connect to look at all these charts on TradingView, and you can connect your Coinbase or your CQG, both of these accounts, to TradingView and trade right from your screens through various exchanges. So just keep that in mind. The one thing I noticed is I want to sell it again. 7,100. I can't. I literally went away for a couple hours. I left here around 11 today. It is now 3:40. Came back, and this is 3:40 Pacific. Markets are well closed, and we bounced. We bounced from 68.50 back again to 7,100. I'm shorted again, and I'll add to it. Again, just from the trade we had earlier today, waiting for 7,400. Again, we were waiting. I didn't trade it the last 3 or 4 days until we got here. That's all it took. Once we got over 6,000, which happened on the day that I said the next level was 7,400, it took 4 days to get there. So I think we're getting near a near-term top. We've gone parabolic. I'm short 7,100. I'm wrong if it closes. And for me, it closes my Pacific Coast midnight to midnight. So because this does trade 24/7. So there's no official close, and I'm just going to say that I'm looking to be short here, 70.80, 70.85, and I'll add it from here all the way up to 74.50. Again, keep in mind that already today we've taken almost $1,000 out of Bitcoin. Yes, $1,000. That's how wide it is trading. Get a hold of it. It's in play. Just wanted to throw out there. Again, the other thing that I like here is the decreasing momentum. So we're bouncing. Each bounce is getting less, and it's going to at least come back and test the 6,700. So I'm looking for that area, maybe cover half, and then look for 66.06. Wrong on a midnight over 74.50. All right. Thanks, 5-minute traders. Any questions, as always, drop me a line, Matt at OneMinuteTrader.TV.